yun ako. I told you variegated yun ang pinakatsada ka na.
Gali, it's so pretty.
Yeah, that one too.
Ako na i-video nila kay Kwan.
Alam ko ang saya.
Hello mga ka-freshness! It's me again, Mayang, ang Becky Farmer ng Becky Share Nature Farm! Yes, today I'm going to make a quick vlog regarding how the Vetsin or Monosodium Glutamate or ajinomoto, well known here sa Pilipinas, to make Petunia flowers bloom profusely. So ito yung effect niya. If you're going to mix 1 liter of water with a tablespoon of Vetsin or Monosodium Glutamate once or twice a week, ito ang effect niya. Maraming blooms of flowers. You can also mix that with other fertilizers or human urine. So maganda ang kalalabasan ng flowering period ng Petunia and also kumintang flowers. Ayan, sa aming mga bakuran. So thank you for watching guys, and please try to click subscribe and like or share this video. Effective talaga ang Vetsin, okay? Vetsin or Monosodium Glutamate. Thank you for watching. Babush!